One key factor in creating the proper environment in the barn is achieving the correct airspeed. If air moves too fast, it could cause drafts and ultimately chill pigs. If the air is moving too slow, it creates an inconsistent environment throughout the barn and causes poorly ventilated areas. This video will show how air moves throughout a barn, helping to visualize ideal airspeed, too slow or too fast using smoke. First, let's look at what ideal airspeed looks like. Understanding the distance at which we want air to move leads us to the desired airspeed. Air travels 2 feet for every 100 feet per minute of airspeed. Notice how as the air or smoke moves out of the inlet, it stays suspended across the ceiling before it reaches the velocity endpoint and begins to dissipate throughout the room and take the place of the existing air. We want the new air or smoke to fill all parts of the room to be sure we're exchanging all the air in the room. When air moves too slow, it tends to drop to pig level faster without covering all cubic area in the room, leaving large gaps to be poorly ventilated. Notice as air moves out of the inlet, it quickly dissipates and falls to pig level without fully covering the pen, leaving poorly ventilated areas and chilling pigs with cold air drafts. Lastly, when air moves too fast, it is thrown too far. This causes it to bounce off obstacles or other airflow from adjacent inlets, overall losing control of air movement. High air speeds can also lead to chilling pigs and lack of mixing air, leading to poorly ventilated pockets throughout the room. Notice as air moves quickly out of the inlet, it's colliding with the airstream from the opposite inlet. This causes the fans to lose control over the air and forces it to drop to pig level, leading to poorly ventilated pockets. Here, the air is moving extremely fast out of the inlet, not allowing it to reach pig level until further distance away, leaving the area under the inlet to be poorly ventilated and ultimately impacting the building's longevity due to high static pressure. One key factor in creating the proper environment in the barn is achieving the correct airspeed. If air moves too fast, it could cause drafts and ultimately chill pigs. If the air is moving too slow, it creates an inconsistent environment throughout the barn and causes poorly ventilated areas. Achieving ideal airspeed out of the inlet and throughout the barn leads to correct air mixing and a more consistent environment for the pigs. Maintaining a consistent environment will help to drive better pig production. For more information, contact your PIC representative. Visit pic.com or email our wean-to-finish team at wean-to-finish@genusplc.com.